Dahil kung hindi po, sa susunod na Senate hearing, patatapyasan ko kayo ng budget.
Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job or maybe they're involved in corruption. Common sense lang po ito, Secretary Galvez. Hindi ho kayo naawa sa mga sundalo, hindi kayo naawa sa mga polis.
Sir, I beg to disagree na pagkakitaan po sir yung decommissioning because I myself are really implementing this.
Then show me proof. Kasi pag
I will show
nakita ka sa
proof,
akin ng proof, then babawiin ko.
Yes, I will show proof that we are not corrupt.
Ba't ka nagagalit, Secretary?
Because you are accusing us that our organization is corrupt.
Yes, because napakalaking discrepancy. And we're talking about billions of pesos here. Kung pinag-usapan na po dito ay 200,000, 2 million, pwede, I'll let it go. Pero if we're talking about by the billions, come on, sir, there's something wrong. I don't know, ba't ka nagagalit? I'll stand by what I said. There is corruption. Unless may prove nyo sa akin, then come back sa next hearing, prove to me na walang corruption, then ako mismo magsasabi wala palang corruption. And I would even apologize. Pero kapag hindi nyo po napatunayan sa amin, naging klaro sa amin, may account itong 2.6 billion, then I'll say corruption is corruption. Period. Thank you.